Hi guys, आज मैंने सोचा vlogs चालू करूँ. I was not feeling well, so I did not record earlier. Now I'm recording. I came to college and the lecture is canned. And आज 2 lectures थे. So the first lecture is canned. Oh. So एक ही lecture बचा है. This is pissing me off. The only person who showed up beside me, like other than me, was my friend Aaron. अभी वो पेशाब कर रहा है तो वो आएगा. Then I will feature him in the vlog. पूरा काला कलूटा आ रहा है इधर आ. हाँ, this is Aaron Lemus. He takes my money and never gives it back.
You owe me 20.
20.
Yeah. No,
I'll...
40. No.
How 40?
120.
No.
It was supposed to be 80. Now you told me I have to pay you 200. I paid you 200.
No, no. ये मेरे मुंह पे पानी डाल रहा है घटिया आदमी. What do you want to do now?
You didn't take my consent.
Shut the fuck up.
You didn't take my consent before Feb.
How are you the only other person who has showed up? What is wrong with you?
Bro, there are like 3 others on top. And
On
apparently
top?
Sansi
On top of what?
Yo, no. The class.
Okay,
The
friends.
class.
Do you want to go to Kiani's? It's open.
Sure.
Let's go to Kiani's. First lecture got cancelled. Second lecture left. चलना. मेरा पेट में बहुत दर्द है. मेरे पेट में बहुत दर्द है.
पेट में दर्द, पैर में तो दर्द.
पैर में पीरियड्स चल रहे हैं अंकल.
Which floor? 6th.
Yeah, we are taking the lift. Rayan, say hi to my vlog. It's actually an actual vlog. Say hi to it. So we are taking the
Where is
lift
it going? On your fucking story?
on YouTube. It's going on YouTube.
Very,
Yeah,
very,
I used to
so
vlog
cool,
in 12th. I'm vlogging again. It's going on YouTube. We are taking the lift again.
Ishika lift.
It's called Paneer Baby Vlogs.
Paneer lift. Should have been Puneet lift.
How bro felt after cracking that fucking racist.
Arey bro, this is the hostel floor. Which floor you come to? 6th floor. तू चूतिया है क्या?
But your class is 61 only, no?
हाँ, तो that third floor में चूत.
I genuinely thought it would be.
If we get caught now, after I'm saying my balls, she kicked me in the balls.
Why me?
Like who else to say Lemos kicked me in the balls? They'll be like, अरे Lemos is jealous over.
चलो आगे पहुंच गए. Father John मिलेगा बाहर.
Father.
What lecture is it?
Father John's mass call.
Mass comm.
Yes.
I think it's EVS. No, it's mass comm.
Shoo.
Sit. How do you feel to be? She said, "Don't cause chaos." Promise, her, go and promise her. How do you feel to be in the presence of Papa John? How do you feel to be in the presence of Papa John?
When we bounce.
He prescribed me. Hi guys, he prescribed me full medicine on medicine, and he made me a whole split on what should I eat. No, what should I train together? What do you think?
What's up, guys?
Show your hairline.
My hairline.
Hi guys, my lecture just got done.
I spoke to Darren today.
Thanks for mentioning Choco Lava.
He's nice, वैसे I guess. मतलब I didn't speak.
Bro, this vlog is actually going up. Why are you mentioning as random people?
अरे भाई.
Not random. He gave me Choco Lava.
Exactly. Do not call him random.
Bro, he tried to set me up with some guy yesterday. Randomly. Yeah, Darren, he's like, Ishika. And then he's like, I'm setting him up with all guys. I'm like, heartbroken, bro. Not feeling special anymore.
He's setting him up with all guys.
All girls, sorry.
Okay. She's so pretty.
Sorry. I won't say the word online. I don't say that word a lot.
Who doesn't like me?
ये
Why?
कौन जा
We
रहा
don't
है?
know. Why? It's a mystery.
What? हाँ. Okay, so we are going to Kiani's now. मेरे को सुबह जाना था Aaron के साथ, but then we were not able to go.
Oh,
because
you didn't go? मुझे लगा you went.
No, we went. We met Rayan, and then थोड़ा पापा करने लग गया, and we just stood there. Yeah. So now we are going to finally going to Kiani's.
Not gonna say it.
Please say.
Not gonna say.
Please say.
क्या ये बाल है क्या?
आज इतना गंदा बटर चिकन पफ है, ये देखो
बाल है क्या? नहीं ये बाल है।
मोटा सा पफ और मेरा दबा हुआ क्रैनबेरी का मफिन.
उल्टा कर देते यार, मुझे तो इतना खाना भी नहीं था।
Bro, why is it दबा हुआ? Literally, it's pissing me off. Say hi.
Whose vlog is it?
I don't know. My vlog. Paneer baby.
Oh, for paneer.
Paneer baby. Wait. This is Arpit.
Hi.
Yes. This is Eric. I just met him, and this is
Interest.
Lemon.
5% interest per day.
I'm not giving you any money.
There's interest. There's charge of
से
interest.
भिखमंगे लोग आ जाते हैं कॉलेज में. Stop.
Peak Mangi, I'm literally asking for money that you owe me. So technically you're the beggar.
I don't owe you any.
Getting bicowed at 20 rupees. And this girl is also not giving him 20 rupees.
I don't have. Otherwise, I would have given.
Get your standards up, buddy.
You have GPay?
I told her interest.
You have GPay?
Yeah.
Oh, पहले तो नहीं था जब मेरे पैसे वापस करने थे. तभी.
They are arguing about stupid things.
बहन के QR कोड पे 20 रुपए मंगवा रहा है. इतनी गरीबी. पूरा घर गरीब है क्या तेरा?
Why don't you have 20?
Because I just had
Yo,
my
po.
muffin.
Shut the
I
fuck
had
up.
muffin. I own land in Bhandum.
Can you
Gia,
do the
say
barking
something,
thing?
please. Say something for
I'm
the
not
camera.
barking on camera.
Gia, say something for the camera.
No, you know what? She can bark really well. She can. I have video.
Hi, Samira. Is this from Savannah?
It's from Savannah. This is from Savannah. Okay, nice.
Oh, nice.
Woo!
I love that.
I will film for you.
Bro, you have really nice hair, by the way.
Ithika with the hot tour. What do you have to say to the camera, bro?
I have to say that I'm really happy that I'm vlogging again. Thank you to Tushar because he told me college became boring once I stopped vlogging.
No, he did. I don't believe that.
He told me that.
What a stick up.
What a bitch.
What a fucking ass liquor, bro.
He said one nice thing to me and you're calling him asshole.
Yeah, I know. I'm calling him an ass liquor.
It's not about you. It's about him. He's the ass.
What do you have to say to the camera, bro? About nothing beats a jet to holiday.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
This is Murtaza. Say something for the camera.
Hi. I look so creepy.
Yeah, you do. What did you lose today?
5 marks.
चल ठीक है यार मैं बंद कर रही हूँ इधर तू बकबक नहीं कर रहा.
So, guys,
Wait.
my GPA. Be generous. Very sponsor my lunch if you can.
He doesn't get food at home, guys. Please.
Yeah, I don't get food at home.
Wait, I'll show your full body photo. Okay, wait. अभी देखा.
Guys, please sponsor my lunch.
ये रास्ते से खरीदी थी पैंट. ये शर्ट भी रास्ते से है. मुर्तजा भी रास्ते से आया है.
मैं ट्रेन में चोरी करता हूँ. Sponsor guys, be generous. मैं गरीबों की हेल्प करो SIP जोड़ लिया. So yeah.
Okay, this is the chair. इस पर I did not. बैग रखा. मुर्तजा रखा. Done.
Yeah, I'm too smart for all this shit. I did not even wanted to get into Xavier's. मैं गलती से आ गया.
What quota were you on in Xavier's?
I was on smart quota.
Smart.
Yeah.
Extra smart quota.
Yeah, extra smart quota. People who are generally too smart for all of this local padhai.
Okay.
Yeah. So look at him. He's so hot. All the ladies want him, but we don't know where the ladies are. So I know someone wants you, but I don't know who. So one day you'll find a chick. So if you're single and looking to date someone, please contact him. This is a fucking advertising campaign, bro.
Bro, he's putting his GP.
अरे so all भाई सारी लड़कियां देखेगी भाई शिका के फॉलोअर्स देखो पटाएगी ना फिर. Look at him भाई, इतना शार्प जॉलाइन है इसका.
What are the ratios? What are the ratios?
He's gonna get a lot of chicks.
Bye, bye, bye. Be safe, be safe.
अरे मोटा.
नहीं यार, अभी तो वो तुझसे भी ज्यादा स्किनी हो गया है. अभी स्किनी क्वीन.
Oh my god. Snatch.
मुर्तजा कह रहा है put it in 0.5.
नहीं मार भाई.
Wait, let me zoom. Let me zoom on. Murtaza, let me zoom on. Wait. अरे यार तेरे नाखून के निशान आ रहे हैं सिर्फ.
यही सही है. इससे पिट क्या है अभी? पिटा नहीं पेंसिल.
पिटा रोज पिटता है.
पिटता है किसी जगह इधर.
Wait, I need to get up. Otherwise मेरे को 0.5 डालना पड़ेगा to get the whole fucking frame. Wait. तेरी. The vlog. Say hi. Thanks. Hi, bro.
I was saying something.
Oh, please.
I was saying something. No, I just like sitting on the front bench because I can hear everything.
Okay.
Teacher said.
Now he's sitting on the front bench because of me. I influenced him to sit on the front bench.
Hi, Banka.
लगा दी थी इसके लिए आगे बैठा मैं.
नहीं इसको पीछे से दिखता नहीं.
Hi guys, so abhi I'm at Chunabatti. No one knows what Chunabatti is, but that is okay. Only my friend Trisha knows what Chunabatti is. Anyways, I am going home. बरसात हो रही है. बरसात की सीजन में बरसात हो रही है. That's crazy. Anyways, अब मेरे पे भी बरसात हो रही है. Dhakad Queen is not Dhakad Queen anymore, I think. Anyways, I'm going home. मुझे इतने डार्क सर्कल्स आ गए. I'll go home and sleep now, I think. क्योंकि मैं लिटरली एक लेक्चर के लिए कॉलेज आई. वो एक लेक्चर में भी बैठ के मैंने कुछ किया नहीं. सिर्फ मैंने टाइम पास किया वो लेक्चर में. अब मैं घर जाकर सो जाऊँगी. So I'll see you guys in the evening if I do. Guys, मैं दोपहर में आज अपनी दूसरी चाय पी रही हूँ because who am I if not a drinker of चाय. क्या ऐसे हाथ क्यों लगा रहा है? इनअप्रोप्रिएटली क्यों हाथ लगा रहा है मेरे को आप?
Like seriously?
लगा रहे थे. लगाया तो आपने.
अभी चलना है.
मैंने दादू से क्या मांगा? ब्लेंडर मांगा. दादू ये लेके आए. बहुत फनी था.
यही लगा.
चल तू मुझे कर मैं जाऊं.
अरे ब्लेंडर चाहिए मेरे को.
ब्लेंडर क्या?
बर्थडे का भाई तू बर्थडे पे आई क्यों?
बर्थडे वाज बिफोर. हो गया.
बहुत क्यूट लग रही है आज तो. This is Krishna, the return of Krishna. How do you feel to be back in my vlog? I'm almost done actually, you know.
मुझे लगा तू कैसे भाई 10 बजे आए.
But I slept and I woke up when I came. चल.
I also slept and I woke up and I.
किसी दे. चल बाय. चलो गाइस, हो गया अब व्लॉग खत्म. बाय बाय. ये मेरे बचपन में मैं हाइट मार्क करती थी दीवार पे. मैं दीवार गंदी की. हाँ, एज यू कैन सी मैं बहुत थक चुकी हूँ पूरा दिन सोने के बाद. सो गुड नाइट. बाय. गोइंग. मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे गाली दी.
क्या?
जो देख तेरी मम्मी ऐसे बैड वर्ड सिखाती है मुझे.